Hey guys, I've just been to the shops across the road. They have a Miniso there, which sell these phone holders so that you can film videos with your phone and stuff like that. It's bendy. I actually already have one that I got in Miniso when I was in China, because back then I didn't realize we had Miniso here as well, and I thought it was the coolest shop that I'd discovered. But we had them here anyway. But the one I had, it's just, it used to live in the garage and it saw a bit too much sun. I think it's like gone all yellow and the plastic's a bit crispy. So the this part here that twists on just got a bit loose. So when I put my phone in, it bends down like that. So I think it's time to retire that one. But I got a new one just now, so I can start using that to film my TikToks and Instagram reels. And then it's Friday today, so last night, Thursday night, my label printer and my new packaging compostable bags arrived, but I haven't opened them yet, so I'm gonna open them here with you guys now. Okay, so I decided to order some more sustainable packaging items. And the first one being some compostable bags, because I had just been using the Australia Post bags and you can recycle them, but you have to take them to a special plastics recycling facility, and I know a lot of people probably don't do that. So the ones I got are meant to be compostable at home and industrially, and then when they're in landfill they also break down as well. So even if they get chucked in the bin, they break down better than normal plastic bags too. So the ones I decided to get are from the Heaps good packaging, and they've sent it in like a cardboard envelope, which is cool. I'll be able to recycle that. Alright. Oh, they feel cool. I actually really like the feeling of that compostable plastic. It feels like silicone. Alright. Oh, they sent me a cute little pen. I thought it was a straw at first, but it's a pen. That's so weird. It's like a paper, a cardboard pen. Cute. And what else have I got? Just a little business card. So these are the bags I got. They're actually black. They're just inside a clear plastic bag. I'll get one of them out and show you guys. I think I ordered 50 of the medium size. I wasn't really sure what size to get because their sizes are a bit different to the Ozpost bags, but like I think you'd be paying more for less space, if that makes sense, if I'm paying for a medium sized bag to be shipped but the bag's smaller, because I can't ship the bigger size, if that makes sense. But I haven't really done a lot of playing around with the printing my own labels and using my own bags from home yet, so maybe it's only the weight that matters. I'm not really sure. Anyway, these are the bags. They're really nice and slick. They're just black, slightly sheer black plastic, really plain on one side, and then they've got the Heaps good information on the back. And yeah, they're made from plants as well, so it's not just like plastic that's breaking down. It's meant to be made from corn, I think. Yeah, so it says down here home compostable and commercial compostable. So hopefully that's a better option for my shipping. I'm really excited to start using those. I haven't got any Ozpost bags left, so I can start using those straight away. Actually, I really wanted to send an order that I had the other day with these, but I hadn't ordered them yet, so that was my fault. Alright, I'm gonna open the label printer now. Now, they do sell a label printer on the Heaps Good website, but I decided to go with this one because it was a lot cheaper. And I'm pretty sure you can still use the compostable labels with this machine, but it came with a roll of labels to start with, so I haven't ordered any compostable labels just yet. I'm guessing it's the the glue on the back that's not compostable, because I thought they were like, or maybe the paper is actually not like paper, it's like plastic. So just opening this box here. The one I got is called the Hotlabel thermal printer. It's from a company that's like, that's all they make, I think, is just this, a few different label printers. And I think it was like $140, whereas the label printer they had on the Heaps Good website was like $400 or $380. All right, this is the weirdest bubble packaging I've ever seen. It's really solid. All right. Unfortunately, stuff like this always comes with a lot of plastic packaging, but okay. Looks like I've got my labels in there, my first lot of labels, and then this solid bubble wrap. Okay, this is kind of cute. This printer, it's got like turquoisey colored buttons on it. All right. I think it looks really cute. So it's obviously just still got some tape and stuff on it. I'm gonna get it set up and maybe print like a sample label or something and see how it goes. But it's really little and cute. It's actually a bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but for something that's gonna be used as often as it is, I'll have it on my desk and it's not gonna take up too much room. So cool, I'll get it set up and I'll get back to you guys. Well, I think it works. I've just printed the sample and the first one came out wrong, but I think that was just because it hadn't aligned the paper in there properly. So the first one came out like, oh, that's not the one I printed. The first one came out like that, so obviously where it tears, it had printed over that instead of making the gap. And it also printed a big space in between them. I'm not really sure why. But then I printed this one. This is just a sample one it gives you to print. So, and that was fine, except then it sucked it back in all the way to here. And then when I went to tear it off, it tore the label. So not really sure why that is. It could just be that the labels aren't very good quality, because it's like it's really hard to tear the backing paper. But hopefully this saves me a bunch of time, because now I can package my orders and stick the label on here and then just go and drop them in a post box instead of waiting in line, buying the envelope or the satchel and then going and writing the address on it. And I was always having to take like my wrapped orders to the post office and just in like the black tissue paper that I wrap them in. And if I've already wrapped them, then I couldn't tell which was which. So on the days when I had more than one order to drop off, it got very confusing. So this should save me some of that stress, and yeah, hopefully it's a good little addition to my office. I bought mine directly from the website, but they do also sell on Amazon for the exact same price. If you are wanting something like this, the printing solution that helps you just print your shipping labels, I mean, I can't say I recommend it just yet because I've only just started using it, but it was a really good price. I'm pretty sure it was $139. So I'll leave that below. It's such a cloudy day today, but I actually love this weather. It's been raining on and off, but it just makes me happy to be in a warm house. Okay, now that I've sorted out my packaging stuff, I'm going to get out my new phone holder, and I started making a new series for TikTok, and I might put it on Instagram Reels as well. But I know I've shown you guys I've been making a lot of headbands and making like sets of headbands and selling them on my Etsy. I have really been enjoying how it's like a smaller project, like whereas with clothes, you know, I've got to make like a larger piece, or it's got to be in multiple sizes, and it kind of takes a while from when I think of like what I want to do and I design it to when I actually make it. It's like a longer process. But with the headbands, I've had so many ideas for different things I could do, and the thing is I can actually execute that really fast because I'm just kind of using the same pattern that I made for the fabric of the headband, and there's so many different things I can do with it, and it doesn't cost me too much to just experiment. So I had this idea to do 30 days of headbands, and I've started making a list of all the different headbands I want to do over 30 days. And I'll probably make them in batches some days, like I won't actually make a headband every day, but what I do want to do is put a TikTok every day of a different headband that I've made. So the one I started with, I've actually designed 3 that I'm going to go ahead and make over the next few days. And the first one is acrylic paint on a recycled linen. I actually had these bags. I don't have them anymore because I've taken them apart. Oh, I'll get the pieces of fabric. So a while ago I ordered some sheets from Bed Threads, and they do like really nice linen sheets. I think they do other things like other fibers as well, but the linen sheets came in these little drawstring bags, which I've now cut up and sewn together. It's like just like a natural linen, like an unbleached linen. And I was like, I don't really need these bags because I don't keep my sheets in the bags, but I almost went to throw them away, and then I was like, you know what, that's really nice linen fabric and it's not much, so I couldn't really make clothing from it. But I thought, what if I paint that and then turn it into a headband, because it's a very plain color. And the funny thing is, I think I've already bought linen in this color before, but I designed a headband that was this but painted, just with like splotches all over it in I think 4 colors. So I drew it up and I worked out how many I could make out of the fabric bags, because I think I got like a sheet set and 2 pillowcases or something, so it came with 1 big bag and 2 little ones, or 2 big bags and 1 little one, something like that. And I cut them up and sewed them together so that I would have enough room to cut out the different parts of the headbands. You can see the label through the other side. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I think that you'd be able to see it between the paint, so I don't really want to use those parts, but I've made it so I can use in between here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these how I want them to be painted now, and I'm going to film some TikToks. I'll talk to you guys when I've finished that. Okay, I just set up my new phone tripod, whatever you want to call it. It's like a phone holder, and this one is so much better quality than the last one, and this was like, I think it was $8, $7.99. So really good value if you guys are like filming TikToks and things on your phone like I am, and you just need something to hold it up. I'm sure you can afford $8. Look, it's really sturdy as well. So the other one I had, I'd kind of bent it to here and then the phone would just fall like that because of the weight. But this one feels like I could get it pretty much exactly where I want it, and it's not going to move much, and it's just on with a clip. The other one had like a twisty thing. It got really fiddly and annoying. I like that this one's black too. My other one was white. It looks really nice and sleek, and this is metal. This part's plastic, but this is like a spring covered in silicone or rubber or whatever that is. So yeah, really cool. Really happy with that.
Whichever part of those don't really know that we go. Reverse engineering. We talk a lot about it in business. Business is that all it takes. If you accomplish it, it will allow you to accomplish the others. There were times early in my career about how to build a business through being crazy about what you do. They're going to be ambivalent, and they're going to be apathetic, and they're going to think, I don't even know things that you can check off. These measures.
Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow my 30 Days of Headbands project, follow me on TikTok at Carley Rose Studio. I'm also on Instagram at Carley Rose Studio. I'm just not sure whether I'm going to be posting on both yet, but I probably will. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these studio vlogs, please subscribe and leave a comment below to let me know, because I know not as many of you guys watch the studio vlogs, but I really like making them. So if you like seeing them, I need you to let me know. I've got lots more videos with tutorials coming out soon as well, so please subscribe if you want to see those. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!